Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam, and today, in this video, you are going to find out who won this radio right here, the RadioLink T8S radio, which I did a review on. You can go check that out if you want to. There's a lot of flight footage in there, so it makes it fun. And the winner is, I'm not going to make you wait through the whole video. The winner is William Barlow. You have won. If you are in the continental United States, then let me know and send me an email at rcwithadam@gmail.com. We're going to go through a verification process to make sure that you actually are who you are, and then after that we will send that this radio right here, send it off to you. The runner-up, in case William Barlow does not email me within 1 week of the posting of this video, the next winner in line is going to be Gene Fox. Green Mountain Droning is the runner-up. So you have not won, Gene, but if William does not get back to me in 1 week, then you will have won. But you can still email me if you want to, just to contact me at rcwithadam@gmail.com, just so that way everything's ready in case our first winner does not email me. Also, I know some people did offer to pay for shipping to other countries, which I appreciate. And in the future, in other giveaways, we may do that. But in this giveaway, since I said continental United States only, then I'm going to stick by my word and make it more fair for the people that, because maybe they didn't offer to pay for shipping because they didn't think that I would send it to them anyway. So it's just going to be continental United States for this giveaway. So again, email me at rcwithadam@gmail.com within 1 week, William Barlow, and then we'll get this thing sent off to you. Okay, so there you go. If you're still sticking around, thanks for sticking around. Because YouTube doesn't really like super short videos, and it's not super great for my channel because of like watch time and stuff, I'm just going to put some fun flight footage at the end of this video so you can just keep on watching that if you want to. In any case, thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for participating and commenting in this giveaway. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time, and I will see you again very soon.